passwords and all that type of stuff. I've had to reconnect things to some of these other networks, and I haven't done it to this one. So it may have gone out over Twitter that I'm doing this, but I'm not sure many of my Twitter followers are following me. And the Facebook people, most of my friends and family, they would see this and if it were on Facebook, but I don't think it is. So anyways, I'll just have to fix that when I get home. Make sure my various little things are reconnected. I know there's a couple of other accounts I've probably forgotten, so. And in here at the fairgrounds, almost. I just went past the hospital, here on the back side of it, between the hospital and the fairgrounds. And we are going to go in here to the vendors and other, well, no, it's actually another parking gate for everyone else too. There's two entrances to this. This one over here by the hospital, and then the other one that's up on the north side of the fairgrounds. Oh, this is where the most of the vendors come in this way. Hi, Brian. I just got to wait in line here. Yeah, this will be good. Good test, good test. 4 minutes and almost 30 seconds now. Still 0 viewers. But it'll be interesting because I think since it is connected to my YouTube channel, I should end up with a YouTube, or I'll share it there. Which reminds me, I need to probably check the connection on that too.
You're all set.
Thanks. Well, here we are into the fairgrounds, and need to get over here into the parking area. This is one of the parking areas, mostly for the vendors and for like some of the livestock things, which is up ahead as well. I'm going to zoom in on this little area here. I see people have just started parking wherever the heck they feel like it, which is pretty typical. So we'll just go here. A free 11. Oh, nice. Oh. Car next to me is from Holland. It's amazing. Okay, that ends this little live broadcast experiment.